Unshift allows us to add values to the beginning of an array, but the method also allows us to actually get a length of the array as a return value, which is pretty handy as well. It's also kind of a nice way of checking your work, or if you can do some kind of iteration later on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add some stuff to it here. And we see that we have unshift, and it's Bob, Bernie, Cheetos, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we wanted to get the length, we would just have to do this. And then we get 9. So that's how you use unshift. It's super important. I know people typically like just the standard putting things at the end of an array, but sometimes you definitely need to put things in the front of the array. So this is how you do it very easily. Get the length back. If you like this content, like, share, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you all in the next video.